Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video which will guide you to create a TikTok account. TikTok is a downright fun application of the time. It has been serving great form of entertainment through its content. People can create, share and discuss short videos. It has been an outlet for people to express themselves through singing, dancing and lip syncing on videos. To be a part of this entertainment platform, first of all you will have to create an account in TikTok application. So just make sure you have installed TikTok app. Then let's get started. Tap on the TikTok application on your phone. Since I have just installed TikTok on my phone, I'll have to go from the first process here. Tap on agree and continue if this comes in your phone. Well, choose your interest. I'm more interested in art, food, travel, animals, science and education, dance. Now these are my interests. I'll tap on next. If you are interested in more of them, you can choose more, but for now I'm going to tap on next. Well, tap on start watching. Here you will be able to see different TikToks. Now tap on the bottom right corner which says profile. Now tap on the red button that says sign up. Well, you can sign up for TikTok using your email. You can continue with your Facebook, Google or Twitter. But here I'm going to open an account using phone number. So I'm tapping on the first option. Here, write down your birth date and tap on next. Type down your phone number. You can open an account using whether your phone number or your email, but here I'm going to use my phone number to open an account. Now tap on the red button that says send code. Now you can do this verification thing. Now drag it to the puzzle. Okay, the verification is completed. So that now you can check your phone and type down the verification code that was sent onto that phone number. Now create a strong password for your account. Now create a username for your account. Here I'm typing shambles, which I want as my username. You can choose any of the username that are available right here. Now tap on the red button that said sign up. Well, this is how you create an account in TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel for more informational as well as fun tutorial videos. Now comment down below for any feedbacks. I'll soon be back with more tutorial video. Till then, bye bye.